Appearing on television or a digital platform can be quite nerve-wracking, and preparation is key for a successful segment. I'm your host, Christina Deloma, and this is the TV Guest Guide. Today's lesson is all about how to prepare. I'm going to break it down into a few items to prepare for. 1, understand your purpose. Why are you appearing on TV? Is it to promote something? Is it to talk about a business? Is it to be a guest about a topic or a source? Understanding why you're there will keep the appearance and the context of what you're saying very concise and clear, and you'll know exactly what to expect from the other end of the screen. The second part is to know what you're talking about. If you're talking about something that's coming up, know the details, know who's going to appear. If you're talking about a product, know the price points, know every possible aspect of the thing that you are going to be talking about. The last thing you want to do is be caught off guard and be unsure of something. So before you even head there, prepare and know what you're talking about. The next way to prepare is to be conscious of any visuals. By that I mean, are you expected to have a video handy? Are you expected to bring a book? Are you expected to have a full display of items? And if so, what items are they? How do they go? How are you going to set them up? What photos do they have that are available? If you're not the person who's booking you on TV and you're just a spokesperson, ask the question of what visuals will I be referencing, if any. Another way to prepare is to get every single possible detail of your appearance. The time, the location, who you're going to be speaking to, the topic you're supposed to be speaking about, any sort of relevant special offers or details of an event, or anything that has to do that's relevant with your appearance. Having someone just tell you to appear at a TV station or that a TV station is coming to you is not really ideal in a situation. Being prepared and knowing all of the information and when they're going to be showing up or when you're expected to show up, for example, is a great way to have a successful segment. Another way to be prepared is to select your wardrobe beforehand. Rolling out of bed and having something just there isn't really ideal. You want to make sure that what you are wearing, A, is comfortable, and B, will translate well on TV. Don't go out of the bed and then all of a sudden get nervous about your TV segment and change your mind 1,000 times. Have your wardrobe selected so when you're preparing for the segment and it's time to go and meet them or they're coming to you, you already have your wardrobe and that's something you no longer have to think about. The last way to be prepared for any sort of segment, or really anything, is to ask as many questions as possible. Some people are of the mindset of, I'll just wing it, and unfortunately that doesn't always translate well on TV. Knowing, once again, when to show up, who your host is going to be, asking what you should be talking about, any possible question that you may have, whether that is for the person who booked the segment, for the person who's a representative of the television station or the digital platform, or the host, or any sort of question that you have, be prepared to ask those questions. For more information on the TV Guest Guide, you can find more lessons in this series on my website or on my YouTube channel. Before you go, make sure to like this video, hit the bell to subscribe, and get a free gift in the description of this video. And I'll see you on the screen.